My last job was as a special needs classroom assistant at a local school in Llanelhean. But I graduated from Bangor University in marine biology and oceanography.
I was a receptionist and a dispenser in the local surgery in Evin and Llanelhean, and I'm as well a partner in the family business in Canolfan Arddio Tyddyn Sachau.
Well, I was approached by Eleri, my business partner, and she said that she was planning on opening a cafe on the site of the garden centre, which she's part of. She's married to Stuart, who owns the garden centre. And to know what the public thought of the idea, we had some questionnaires that were placed at the garden centre shop, and the feedback that we got was very positive, that yes, they were very interested in having a cup of tea and a piece of cake, or nobody came back with wanting huge meals, just simple, good snacks that they could have here on the site.
I contacted the flexible business in Cardiff and they transferred me over to Menter Môn and Annog. I went on a 3 days startup business course to learn how to prepare taxes and to see if our project was eligible to have a grant or not. We prepared the business plan and the cash flow and profit and loss accounts, and by January they were discussed in a panel in Cyngor Sir Gwynedd, and they contacted us stating we were successful in the approach of getting the grant. We got 47% of the actual cost of the venture.
The unique selling point in the niche in the market that Eleri and I wanted to get into was to cater homemade, good style food. And because we're in a very rural area, we've got so much products on our doorstep, we really felt strongly that we should really try and source everything locally. So that is what we've done. A few miles down the road we've got the local creameries who supply us with all our dairy products. Then a little further along there's our butcher that we use in Llwyddo. We have all our ham, bacon and chicken off him. And then in the other direction in Llwyddo there's a little company called Oink Oink. They rear all their own pork and they supply us with sausages. We also use a local bakery, and we get all our fruit and veg locally. And our dry goods as well are supplied by a very local company, Harlech Frozen Foods, just down the road there in Llanystumdwy. As we mentioned before, we've gone above and beyond our financial targets for our first year of trading. Quite a few people have been inquiring when we're going to start to offer Sunday lunches, so that's something that we're thinking about. There are no immediate plans to change anything, but I'm sure there will come a point where we'll have to expand, but until then we're quite happy as we are.